How to convert BTC to USDT on Trust Wallet. So the first thing you want to do is to enter into your Trust Wallet. As you can see now I'm here. You might notice there are few tokens that can't be swapped within themselves. So it might be a little annoying if you select your Bitcoin in this case. The only way to convert BTC to USDT is to head over to browser at the bottom. And then in the search bar, search for Pancake Swap. It will land you on this page. Click on Connect at the top right. And then you will have to select Trust Wallet. Once your Trust Wallet account has been connected, it will land you on this page. In here, first of all you have to select BNB. And then select the USDT in the second option. You also have to enter the amount that you want to swap. Once you have entered, click on Accept. You have to wait for a while for it to process. Well, the swapping process has been completed. Now what you want to do is, inside tokens, you have to search for USDT. Make sure that you toggle on all of these USDT options, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can convert BTC to USDT on Trust Wallet. Make sure to smash the like button, and please consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.